Hi, I'm Malcolm McEwen. I'm a part of the TAG STEAM team, and we are going to be taking a look at temperature mapping. So temperature, everyone knows what that is. You're hot or you're cold. However, science defines temperature as the speed at which particles move in matter. So, objects with faster particles tend to be hotter than objects with slower moving particles. So here's a visual representation of temperature. Well, we know that when we rub our hands together, we're creating friction, which generates heat. And we can show that heat when I apply my hand to this temperature-sensitive material, like so. Isn't that cool? So you may be wondering what this is. This is an infrared thermometer, which tells us the temperature of an object from a distance. And we're going to use this tool in our next observation. In this observation, we have different materials sitting underneath the heat lamp, which is representing the sun. As you can see, we have a black tile, a white tile, and a brown tile, as well as some soil. Darker colors absorb more radiation from the sun than lighter colors, and we can observe this using the infrared thermometer. The white is reading about 114 degrees Fahrenheit. Move on to the brown, reading about 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Now to the black, reading about 136 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's take the soil. That's sitting at about 100 degrees. So the soil had the lowest temperature out of all of the materials underneath the heat lamp. Even the white tile, which we pointed out to have the lowest temperature out of all of the 3 tiles. So we saw that the soil had the lowest temperature out of all of the materials underneath the lamp. But what does this mean? We have big cities all over the world that have pavement and parking lots that absorb a lot of heat and make the cities warmer, whereas urban areas with more parks and soil stay cooler. This type of information is what scientists and engineers use to plan and manage future land use. Together, we can make better choices about building and developing and how it affects our environment. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more fun STEAM experiments. Bye! Nope. The isn't Bye!
This TAG workshop was made possible with a grant from the NICE Network. Thank you!